Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about assignment operators and details. Let's start. Here are assignment operators. Let's get a pen here. The equal sign. This is simple assignment operators. Assign values from right side branch to left side branch. And this is plus equal. Add and assignment operators. It adds right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Like if I said C plus equal A, this is equal to C plus A. If I said minus equal, this is subtract, and the assignment operator is subtracts right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand, like this. C minus equal A, this is C equal T equal to C minus A. I said here multiple equal, this multiple and assignment operator, it multiples right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand, like C multiple equal A, this is equal to C equal C multiple A. This is divide equal, divide and the assignment operator, it divides the left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Here C divide equal A, this is equal to C equal C divide A. And I said here module equal, this modules and assignment operator, it takes a module using two operands and assigns the result to the left operand. Like here C module equal A, this equivalent to C equal C module A. And here exponent equal, this exponent and assignment operator performs exponential or power calculation on operators and assign values to the left operand, like this. C exponent equal A, this is equivalent to C equal C exponent A. If I said here floor division equal, this floor division and assign a value performs floor division operands and assign values to the left operand, like this. C floor division equal A, this is equivalent to C equal to C floor division A. Let's try this in our Python shell. I said x equal to 5, this here the equal sign. Okay, if I set x plus equal 1, I print x equal 6 here, because this is equal to equivalent to x equal to x plus 1. Here x equal 5, then the new x will equal 5 plus 1 and this will get 6. And if I said x minus equal 2, for print x we will get 4. I said x void equal 2, for print x we will get 2. I type x multiple equal 5, x will be 10. I type x module equal 3. I print x equal to 1, and so on. Okay, in the next video I'll talk about operator precedence in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.